Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we will be attaching our scrap top. To attach our scrap top, we're first going to put down a pretty thick coat of wood glue, and then we're going to hold that in there with some small screws. Now, when you do this, you want to be very careful that your scrap top stays flush with your oak top on the outside. Now my scrap top is on the top and my good oak piece is on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and attach all of this together, and then we're going to take it and flip it upside down so that we have our nice oak piece on the top here, and our scrap piece would be between our birch and our nice oak piece. Eventually we'll then screw it in from the bottom to secure that together. First off, we're going to lay down a nice thick coat of glue. We want to use plenty of glue so that it'll hold as good as it can. And make sure you get around the edges. Next, we're going to set our first scrap piece on. I went ahead and put a clamp on it to help hold it so it doesn't slip on me. And I'm going to put in a few screws. Now on these screws, you want to sink the head below the surface, just a small amount. Now, as you continue the same procedure for the rest of that scrap top, you want to make sure you use plenty of screws. Once you're finished, you'll want to wipe up any excess glue that might have squeezed out of the joint.